And I go, Coach, let me ask a question. What's going on with Devin Hester? He's like, I don't understand. What do you mean? I said, yeah. Why is he sitting on the bench? You got a Ferrari, but you're driving a Ford. You got a Ferrari in the garage. What are you doing? Well, I'm not, Devin, you're a booster. I don't even know why I have to answer you. I said, Coach, if that kid don't see the field, I'm turning off the faucets. I get a call later that afternoon from Devin. Guess who's starting kick returner and punt returner? And I go, let me guess. You? Devin takes 2 punts. You can check it out. At home against Louisiana Tech, 2004. 2 punt returns for a touchdown. Following week, he had another punt return for a touchdown, or like a 78-yarder. And then right after that, 2 weeks later, goes 108 yards from the back of the end zone.
Jeez.